Bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, in this majlis, we move on to the text Al-Kitabah. Al-Kitabah. So this book here, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, we want to learn how to write the Arabic alphabet. We want to learn how to join the different letters together. We want to obviously recognize the letters when they are written differently. We want to perfect our pronunciation of the letters bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. So that's what we will be covering in this book, Al-Kitabah, insha'Allah. And this is one of the texts that is studied in Mustawa al-Awwal, level number 1, semester number 1, walhamdulillah, in the Institute of Teaching the Arabic Language to non-Arabic speaking students, walhamdulillah. Ya Abdullah, Ya Amatallah, this book is made up of 16 simple lessons, insha'Allah. We will begin bi'idhnillahi ta'ala with Ad-Darsul Awwalu, lesson number 1. And a lot of the lessons in this book here, Ya Abdullah, Ya Amatallah, if you are not familiar with many of these matters, then you will need to put in the effort. You will need to put in the effort. You will need to sit, go through each lesson 2, 3, 4, 5 times until you perfect them bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, until your writing of the Arabic alphabet is good bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. Tadribat ma qabla al-kitabah. So they state that this lesson here is before you start writing. Uktub min al-yamin. Uktub min al-yamin. They want you to write this exercise here. Write everything down. And so they give us these 3 lines here and they want you to write it in bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. And so this is before we move on to writing of the words. Walhamdulillah, we need to sort out this matter, the basics bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. Uktub, write. Uktub min al-yamini, from the right. Uktub min al-yamini. So masha'Allah, we learnt a rule now. The Arabic language, we write and we read from the right hand side, subhanallah. Whereas English, we read and we write from the left hand side. Jayid. And so Arabic, we write from the right hand side, walhamdulillah. And so they give us here the dal, dal. This is a dal, dal, Jayid. And so this entire line full of dals, masha'Allah, they want you to practice here. Write the letter dal, 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 dal. Dal for Dawood alayhi salam. Excellent. And so look at the manner that we write that dal, insha'Allah. Dal for Dawood alayhi salam. Then the next one here, this is the bottom section of many a letter, so very versatile. And so we are writing from the right hand side, following this arrow, following the arrow, insha'Allah.